These are the Idealife self-watering planters. These were sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. In my opinion, these things are pretty awesome, and my mom likes them too. So when you get these, you get 5 different sizes, as you can see right here. We have a 7-inch, a 6.5-inch, a 6-inch, a 5.5-inch, and a 5-inch pot. The cool thing about these is they're actually a self-watering device. So when you get these, they're kind of nested together like nesting dolls. You get wicks with them. You get a bottom piece that rotates and snaps on, and you get these watering spouts. And they've actually given us an extra wick and an extra spout. And they also send you this little package with a couple of different mini trowels and a little mini rake in here for if you have to transplant something. So that's kind of cool. So they're pretty easy to use and pretty convenient to use, and they're perfect for a deck or a kitchen. You're going to take the wick, run it through this way. You're going to run it through this way, basically creating a little loop on the bottom here. So the loop's going to go on the inside, and you take the bottom section, and there are little notches in here that line up to some grooves, and you put it on there and snap it into place. And you take your spout right here, and you just snap that on, and you are good to go. We have 178 different drainage holes in here, so this thing will basically self-water itself, and if it needs to drain water out, it'll drain the water out back into the bottom tray here, which is perfect for prolonging the life of your plants. And it's also perfect if you're going out of town for a couple of days or on vacation or whatever. You can rest assured that your plants are going to be watered. And the way these spouts are set up right here, easy enough to get a watering can spout in there, or even if you just have a little bottle of water. They're made of a hard plastic. They look great, they work great, and I think they fit in perfectly out here on the deck with the rest of my plants.